So here we are printing a simple single layer glider. We're going to try using two colors, doing color changes in the M600 post-processing command in Cura. And let's just print the first layer now. Relatively slow. It's a real thin layer. The initial layer is only 0.2 millimeters, so we're printing it slow. See how this turns out. I'll check back when I do the color change. Okay, so we just reloaded, it paused, reloaded some blue filament in, little Buffalo Bills red and blue. I just let it get a temperature, so I'm going to load it. Hopefully it, here we go, that looks good. Popping some blue out. That off the table. And try resume here. Looks like it's heating back up. Oh, actually it looks like it loads it for you. That's a lesson learned. The macro I have set up loads the filament back in. So it's going to start printing. Alright, so I guess I don't have to set up that load it myself. Just get it ready to go. And it's printing the next color. Awesome. Alright, check back when it's all done. Alright, it's all done. Let's pop it off. Looks good. Pretty cool. Two color print. Cool. Cool. It's supposed to be a glider, so we'll see how it flies.